In today's video, I am doing the last of my teal colors and my purple. So I have teal, turquoise, purple, and phthalo blue. Just a little bit of that I'm just going to drizzle on there. And this is an 11 size vase, so all these colors will be okay on this vase. Let me get me some gloves and we will start. How are you guys? I always welcome the new people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I know my niece Shayla is new. I talked to her on Thanksgiving Day and I gave her my channel and she was so excited. She was like, Auntie, I'm subscribing. I'm subscribing. So, you know, I think I lost a couple of people when I started talking about God and all my blessings and praying and doing all that other stuff. But, you know, hey, God will bless me abundantly. So where I lost 2, he may give me 2,000. I go big. I go big. I didn't say 200. I said 2,000. So welcome my new people. Welcome my looky-loos that haven't subscribed, but they see me pop up on their feed. And welcome my original OGs. You know, y'all know who y'all are. I appreciate you. Well, I told you about these colors. I'm getting them done. I'm getting them out of here. Tomorrow I am cleaning all my containers. And next week I'm going to be out of town visiting grandkids again in San Diego. And I will not be able to do anything. So maybe that next Friday I'll come in and start making all my colors. And I'm going to do some different colors this time. I went and ordered some paints and I have like 5 different pinks that I want to do. And my Aunt June, she loved pink. My mother loved pink, but my mom liked pink on her fingernails, but she liked maroon type reddish pinks too. So I got that. I got different yellows. I got different greens. So we're going to see some new colors coming through here on this channel. And blue, why so many blues? So many blues. But I got a few of them. So I think I am going to do, the main color on here is purple. So I am going to do a cup pour. In my last video, I did a cup pour, and I love the way that came out. I love the way mine's come out, period, because, you know, they are, they, you know, get psychedelico. Psychedelico, yes, I did say it. Psychedelico. So we're going to do another pour like that. I have these old extra large cups here. Yeah, it don't matter. So I think I'm gonna do the purple one first. So a lot of purple, a lot of teal, a lot of turquoise. And that teal and that turquoise, why did I just put it together? Because they look alike. Phthalo blue. I should have broke that up with the turquoise and the teal. I'm gonna do that turquoise on top because we got a little bit of that. The star of the show gonna be purple because this thing is heavy. Heavy. Hopefully that turquoise will come through. We'll have it laying to the side. Phthalo blue, have that laying to the side. That's almost finished. The 2 starter shows of this one is gonna be teal and purple. You know I don't mind those 2 colors. Ooh, that's a lot going on. That's okay. Let me move this out the way because when it starts flowing, I know it's gonna flow off. So this is, I think I said, an 11-inch vase. This is a 10 by 10 canvas. Let's, what color is this? I think this is teal. Yeah, that's teal. That's not turquoise. Ooh. I'm just pouring, huh? When you do it like that, you just pour. And wherever your chips may fall. I got some bubble. Where my flame blower at? What? Oh, here it is. I gotta put some more butane in here. Yeah, you got more teal over there. Nope, here comes the purple. This is pretty. I think I just did one. These colors. That's okay. That's okay because this is pretty. They go a boogie. Ooh, that was a pretty big one too. Oh, I don't want to put it there. So the phthalo blue is like little streaks, and I think I'm just gonna do this. Because it's not that much in there, so it can show out. And I see the difference between the turquoise here and the teal over here. Yeah, I want that phthalo blue to be all over here. Because that's a pretty color. Then the purple in there. Yeah, I would have thought more purple would have showed up, but it's not a lot. Let's see what's at the top. Nope, not a lot. Again, I gotta watch the bottom. A couple of my vases didn't have anything on the bottom because I had scraped it all off. Simply gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Yeah. I mean, I see purple, but I see a lot of the teal and the turquoise too. And I think I want this one to be you guys got a pretty over there. Y'all got a little bit of everything. Okay, so I don't want it to drip anymore. So stop. Gravity on is doing its thing. I still have some purple left, so you know I need to make another video and put that purple in there. But the phthalo blue is on its last. There's no more in here. Nothing's coming out. Nothing. Nope. Phthalo blue is all finished, so I can put that and clean that. Why'd I do that? I don't know. This is, yep, that's the same color. This is gone. But it's pretty. It's pretty. Dang it. Now I want to put some more purple over there because I shouldn't have did that. I can because I have purple. Just do a little bit of drop so it doesn't go all the way down and mess up that one. But this is pretty. Put that extra paint on these ends, help that paint flow. There you go. Uh-oh, I missed that end over there. Get the rest of this paint. So let me bring you in one moment. How is that? So beautiful. Yes, it is. Can you see it? You see a reflection of me, huh? Doses. Yep. That's my reflection. Beautiful. Uh-oh, there's my other little one over there. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, ooh, now you see me. Yucky poo. It's cold out here. I got a hat on. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah. There's the bottom. Oops. There you go. Focus there. Yeah. Let's show you this side. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. Close up is not cute. But I wonder, can I get 2 more drops of that phthalo blue out of there? Look at, here it is right here. I did the design and I should have stayed with that one design on pouring the cup. So I got to remember that. Instead of doing the drops like I used to do, I'm used to doing, I should say, instead of just doing that pour, because it gives you a different effect than just dripping it down the side like that. So lessons learned, but it's still pretty. Still pretty. Hold on a second. Let me take this off of here. We'll do the paint. One moment. You know, after looking at this side, it's pretty. You know, it's because that's different. All the sides are just going to be different. That's like all of them. You know? So I'm not going to bother it. Plus, I ain't got no more phthalo blue. Let me show you the paint. One moment. So look at here. I don't have much room to stretch, because it filled up the whole canvas and the center closed. Normally I'm trying to, you know, stretch it over so that we get the paint on the center, but after running my mouth, it already closed up. So I just got to just stretch it a little bit to get them sides. Oh, that's a lot of paint on there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come on. to the center. Get that side. Yeah, that's enough paint to cover it. This came out with a lot of designs. That's pretty. Get that side. There we go. Yeah. Now we're just going to come on over and just swoop off all that color on this side. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Yeah, that got a lot of paint on there. I didn't realize how much was on here. That's okay. Touch up my sides. Touch up my sides. And bring you in for this one. Oh, I got messy hands. Hold on 1 minute. Put the rest on my apron. Yeah, that's pretty. I see the phthalo blue up in there. And the teal. There's some turquoise there. Yeah. Ooh, that's electrifying, huh? That look like some serious beautiful clouds up there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That look like a butterfly right there. Yeah. That's pretty. Got my sides all done. Well, thank you guys for taking the time out to watch me and support me. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you. Bye-bye.